Welcome to PMI News. I'm Anita Raj here with you. Headlines today. CM KCR to leave for National Capital on September 24. 3,866.21 crore rupees T set up 31 STPS. KTR. MLA Ramesh urges HC to hold physical hearing in his case. Dasara celebrations to be held from October 7. Restrictions imposed around assembly premises. News and details. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao will leave for New Delhi on September 24, Friday. The CM will participate in the Legislative Assembly session beginning tomorrow, attend the Business Advisory Committee (BAC) meeting, and later will go to Delhi. He will have a meeting with the Union Jal Shakti Minister Gajendra Shekhawat on September 25. On September 26, he will attend a meeting at Vignan Bhavan organized by the Union Home Ministry. Later, the CM will have a discussion on the procurement of the paddy issue with the Union Food and Civil Supplies Minister Piyush Goyal. The same day CM will return to Hyderabad. PMI News Hyderabad. Municipal Minister K.T. Rama Rao today stated that the government allotted funds to set up 31 STPs in the city. K.T. Rama Rao said that as part of programs to develop Hyderabad as a world-class city with more facilities and infrastructure, the state cabinet has allotted 3,866.21 crore rupees towards sewerage treatment plants, STPs, in the city of GHMC purview, he said. We will set up 31 sewage treatment plants in the city to address related issues, KTR said. The minister informed media persons after attending a program in the city here that it was planned to set up 1260 MLD capacity sewage treatment plants. As many as 31 STPs would be coming up in the city, he said. This is in addition to 772 MLD capacity STPs available now, he said. He informed that 1950 mud sewage in Hua including 1650 mud sewage water is produced in GHMC. We appeal to the Chief Minister on the Musi beautification and renovation of the lakes and related issues. As part of developing Hyderabad as a world-class city, we have been implementing several programs, the minister said. The city is getting 24-hour power and 90% of the water issue was addressed. For the past 7 years the government and the GHMC have been working together to provide better amenities, he claimed. This decision has been taken in the cabinet meeting to address the sewage issue by setting up more sewage treatment plants, he said. We apprised the sewerage issue in the city to the notice of Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao and he is ready to address the problem, K.T. Rama Rao said. PMI News Hyderabad. The ruling TRS party MLA Chenna Maneni Ramesh today urged Telangana High Court to hold a physical hearing in his case instead of the online hearing. The counsel for Ramesh told the HC that they have so many documents to prove their case and added that it would not be possible for him to exhibit them before the HC through the online hearing. The additional Advocate General of the state Ramachandra Rao also urged the court to hold the physical hearing in the case. On the other hand, the counsel for respondent in the case Adi Srinivas told the HC that the MLA was deliberately delaying the hearing of the case by keeping in mind of the stay orders issued by the court in the case. Responding to the plea of the MLA, the HC ruled that it would hold the physical hearing of the case after a period of 2 weeks. PMI News Hyderabad. The state government has decided to hold Dasara celebrations from October 7 to 15. The State Endowments Minister Vellampalli Srinivas said that they were taking all steps to hold the celebrations from the scheduled date. He held a coordination meeting with the officials concerned on the issue in the city. Speaking on the occasion, he said that they had taken all steps for ensuring interdepartmental coordination and make the celebrations a grand success. He also said that they had made all arrangements for the convenience of the devotees of Goddess Kanaka Durga. He said that they would allow darshan to 10,000 devotees every day at the temple. He also said that they were making special arrangements for old age people and children at the temple. He urged the devotees to bring vaccination certificates along with them to have the darshan. He said that they were making arrangements for the online booking of the tickets in the same manner as the last year. Commenting on the COVID vaccination process, he said that 90% of the vaccination process had been completed in the state. He urged the remaining people of the state to take the vaccine shots if they did not take them so far. He said that they had also taken steps for the prevention of the falling of hillocks in Ghat Road of Indira K. Iladri. The City Police Commissioner Anjani Kumar today issued orders imposing restrictions within 4 km radius of State Assembly by keeping in view of the commencement of the State Legislative Assembly and Legislative Council session from Friday. In his orders, he said that all kinds of public meeting, processions are banned within the 4 kilometers radius of the assembly. He said that the restrictions had been imposed in order to avoid any kind obstruction to the session of the legislature. He said that the restrictions would come into force from 6 am of Friday and added that they would be in force till the conclusion of the session of the legislature. PMI News Hyderabad.